Title: Gather, bringing things together. Meaning: today, we're diving into the word gather. To gather means to collect or bring things together in one place, often for a specific purpose or to form a group. Use in a sentence. For example, the family decided to gather for a picnic in the park, bringing food, games, and laughter together. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gather is straightforward. Gather, with a soft G and a short A. Importance. Gathering is a fundamental human activity. We gather for celebrations, meetings, and even for simple family dinners. It's a way to connect and bond with others. Conclusion. In summary, gather is a word that embodies the idea of unity and togetherness. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep gathering beautiful moments and experiences in your life.